Authentic Learning Kit for Primary School Students with Special Learning Disabilities. Situational Animation Video presents the application of number rounding skills in a real-world context.
Kit Pembelajaran Autentik, Pendidikan Khas Masalah Pembelajaran. Nombor 2 digit bundarkan kepada puluh terdekat.
Nombor 3 digit bundarkan kepada ratus terdekat.
Bundarkan 4003 kepada puluh terdekat. Jom bantu Amin.
Round Skilled Video. Authentic technique of rounding numbers. Used to round any number of value from 2 digits to 4 digits to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands.
Nombor 2 digit. Mari membundar nombor 2 digit kepada puluh terdekat. Bundar 72 kepada puluh terdekat. Lengkapkan jalur ini dengan nombor 70 hingga 80. Perhatikan nombor 72. 72 lebih dekat kepada 70. Maka, bundar 72 kepada puluh terdekat jadi 70.
Board game. Integrated with a set of interactive questions to enable students to check answers easily, quickly, and accurately. Interactive question set provide guided practice using number lines. Each question comes with a voice.
Klik untuk ke menu utama. Bundarkan 108 kepada ratus terdekat. Klik jawapan anda.
Ronate digital application. Can be played using a computer or mobile phone for learning beyond school hours. Assessment module. An instrument that can be printed according to the number of students for use in classroom assessment. Copyright registration certificate from the Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia for RONET application and animated situation videos. Journal article from a face validity and content validity evaluation study of the POW MBPK kit. Gold Medal Achievement Certificate for Kit POW MBPK in Virtual Innovation Competition 2024.